Ever found yourself abroad, trying to pay for that delicious gelato or a last-minute souvenir, only for your traditional bank card to betray you with hefty foreign transaction fees or, even worse, get declined? It's a travel nightmare we've all either experienced or dreaded. But what if I told you there's a way to unlock seamless, stress-free spending wherever your adventures take you, all from the palm of your hand? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Monzo and how this digital challenger bank can become your ultimate travel companion. Forget about hidden fees, terrible exchange rates, and the constant worry of your money disappearing into the ether. With Monzo, you're not just carrying a card, you're carrying a financial toolkit designed for the modern globetrotter. Let's face it, traditional banks weren't built for a world where people hop across borders as easily as they change their socks. They're stuck in a bygone era of international transfers that cost an arm and a leg, and exchange rates that make you wince. Monzo, on the other hand, was born in the digital age, built from the ground up to solve these very pain points. Their mission? To make money work for everyone, everywhere. And when it comes to travel, they absolutely deliver. The beauty of Monzo lies in its simplicity and transparency. No more scratching your head trying to decipher complex fee structures. Everything is laid out clearly in the app, giving you complete control and peace of mind. But it's not just about avoiding fees, it's about empowering you to manage your money intelligently while you're exploring new cultures and making unforgettable memories. So, how exactly does Monzo revolutionize your travel finances? It all starts with their fundamental approach to foreign currency. Unlike many traditional banks that add a hidden markup to the interbank exchange rate, Monzo uses the MasterCard exchange rate. This is, hands down, one of the best rates you can get, meaning more of your hard-earned money goes towards your experiences, not bank profits. Imagine this, you're in a bustling market in Marrakesh, negotiating for a beautiful hand-woven rug. You pull out your Monzo card, tap to pay, and instantly, you see the exact amount debited in your home currency, at a fair exchange rate, with no added fees. No more mental arithmetic, no more guesswork, no more nasty surprises when you check your statement back home. It's truly liberating. But the benefits extend far beyond just favorable exchange rates. Let's talk about notifications. One of Monzo's standout features is its instant transaction notifications. The moment you spend money, your phone pings with a notification showing the amount, the merchant, and your updated balance. This real-time visibility is invaluable when you're abroad. It helps you stay on top of your spending, track your budget, and immediately spot any suspicious activity, giving you an extra layer of security. If someone somehow got hold of your card and tried to use it, you'd know instantly, allowing you to freeze your card with a tap of a button in the app. Speaking of security, Monzo's in-app card controls are a game-changer for travelers. Lost your card? Stolen? No problem. You don't need to panic and spend hours on hold with a call center. Simply open the Monzo app, go to your card settings, and instantly freeze your card. This immediately prevents any further transactions. Found it down the back of the sofa? Unfreeze it just as easily. This level of control empowers you to react quickly and protect your funds, even in the most stressful situations. You can also disable magstripe payments, ATM withdrawals, and online payments individually, tailoring your card security to your specific needs while you travel. And let's not forget the ability to set spending limits. While not strictly a travel-specific feature, it can be incredibly useful for budgeting abroad. If you've allocated a certain amount for daily expenses or a particular activity, you can set a limit in the app to help you stick to it. It's like having a helpful financial assistant right there in your pocket, gently nudging you to stay on track. Another often overlooked advantage of using Monzo abroad is its travel reports. After your trip, Monzo provides a breakdown of your spending by category and country, offering valuable insights into your financial habits while traveling. This isn't just a cool feature, it's a powerful tool for planning future trips. You can see exactly where your money went, identify areas where you might have overspent, and adjust your budget accordingly for your next adventure. It helps you become a more mindful and efficient traveler. Now, let's address some common questions and scenarios when using Monzo abroad. Do I need to inform Monzo I'm traveling? This is a fantastic question, and one of the best things about Monzo is that you generally don't need to tell them you're traveling. Their systems are designed to detect genuine foreign transactions, and they rarely block cards for overseas use without good reason. This is a huge relief compared to traditional banks that often require you to jump through hoops and notify them of your travel plans, only to still sometimes block your card when you're miles from home. However, it's always a good idea to ensure your app is updated and your contact details are current, just in case they need to reach you. What about ATM withdrawals? Are there fees? Monzo offers fee-free ATM withdrawals up to a certain limit. For Monzo personal accounts, this limit is typically £200 every 30 days within the European Economic Area, EEA, and £200 every 30 days outside the EEA. If you exceed this limit, Monzo charges a 3% fee on the amount withdrawn. This is still often more favorable than the fees charged by many traditional banks, but it's something to be aware of, especially if you plan on relying heavily on cash. My personal advice is to use your Monzo card for direct payments whenever possible, as that's always free, and only withdraw cash when absolutely necessary. Remember, the merchant's ATM might also charge its own fee, so always check the on-screen prompts carefully. What if my Monzo card gets lost or stolen abroad? As we discussed earlier, the in-app freezing feature is your first line of defense. Once frozen, no one can use your card. You can then report it lost or stolen within the app, and Monzo will help you order a replacement. While they can't always ship a physical card to your current location overseas, they do offer digital card options and can guide you through alternative solutions to access your funds if needed. This proactive support system is a huge advantage and reduces the stress of a potentially disastrous situation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.